Hello everyone, it's Miss Norman again, here to work on our Thursday problem solving for the week. Before we do that, let's look at yesterday's independent practice problem and see if you guys got an answer that was like mine. So we had 4 eggs that sat in a pan and 2 eggs fell out. How many eggs still sit in the pan? So I drew my 4 eggs and then I crossed out 2 of them because 2 of those eggs fell out. So that left me with 2 eggs left. So how many eggs still sit in the pan? 2 eggs still sit in the pan. When I did my number sentence, I noticed that I was taking those eggs away. I was not putting them together. So I did 4 take away 2 makes 2. So now let's move on to Thursday's problem. And remember that you have your student page that you can use, or you can just use a piece of paper that you guys have around the house. So let's get started. So today we have 5 fat pets sit in a pen. Dan feeds 4 pets. How many pets did not get fed? So let's look at that. Let's make our big pen because we have 5 fat pets to sit in that pen. And let's circle our important information. We have 5 pets. And then Dan is going to feed 4 of those pets. So I'm going to start by drawing my 5 fat pets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Dan fed 4 of those pets. So I'm going to just give them a little bowl of food. We're going to give 1, 2, 3, 4 of those pets got food. And our question asks, how many pets did not get fed? So let's look at how many pets do not have a food bowl in front of them. We see that there is 1 pet left who did not get food. So our answer to how many pets did not get fed, we're going to say 1 pet. Now this one's a little bit tricky, so let's think about it. Did we put those numbers together or did we take them away? It doesn't look like a normal takeaway problem because we didn't put an X on them, but really we could put an X on those 4 pets that did get food, and we were left with our 1 pet. So even though it didn't look like a takeaway problem at first, this one is a takeaway problem. So we have 5 pets, and we're going to take away those 4 that got fed, and that leaves how many pets that didn't get their food? 1 pet did not get food. I don't know about you, but I think Dan probably needs to go buy some more pet food so he can feed all 5 of those pets that he has. All right, let's move on to our independent practice problem. So this is the problem you guys are going to work on all on your own after we talk through it and make sure that everyone understands it. So we have that Sam has 4 hats and Sam hid 3 of his hats. How many hats does he have now? We're going to delete that extra period because we don't need it. So he has 4 hats and he hid 3 of them. So let's circle our important information. We have 4 hats and then we know we hide 3 of the hats. And we want to know how many hats does he have now after he hid them. So let's start by thinking about, are we going to take hats and take them away, or are we going to put those hats together, okay? I want you to think about that. When Sam hides them, is he taking them away or is he putting them together? So we will check in tomorrow and we will see what you guys have done. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Thursday. I can't believe tomorrow is going to be our last day of digital learning for this week. I'll see you tomorrow.